In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dependencies in Asana to manage task order and workflow. Hi everyone! Today, I'll show you how to use dependencies in Asana to manage task order and workflow. Dependencies are perfect for keeping work in the right sequence, preventing someone from starting too early or getting blocked without context. Start by logging in to your Asana account on a desktop or laptop. The desktop view gives you the full task details panel, which makes setting dependencies clear and quick. Once you are in, open the project that contains the tasks you want to connect. You can find it from the sidebar or search, and then switch into whichever view you prefer. The steps are the same. Click on the specific task you want to set a dependency for. This opens the task details on the right. Scroll down until you see the Dependencies section. If your panel looks compact, expand it so the section is visible. Now click Add Dependency. You'll be asked to choose the type of dependency. Waiting on means this task cannot start until another task is completed. Use this when one step truly depends on the output of another, like starting development only after the design is finalized. Blocking means this task must be completed before another task can start. Choose this when your task is the prerequisite for someone else's work, such as approving a brief before anyone schedules work. After selecting the dependency type, pick the related task from the list. If your project is large, type a few letters to search and make sure you're connecting the right task. When you select it, Asana will immediately show the dependency status on the task, so you'll see labels like waiting on or blocking along with the linked task name. From here on, Asana will automatically block or notify tasks based on this relationship, helping teammates understand the sequence and preventing accidental starts. These links also appear in your project views, so it's easy to spot what's waiting on what during planning and keep priorities aligned across the team. You can always return to this section to adjust or remove a dependency if priorities change. That's all you need. Log in on desktop, open your project, pick the task, add a dependency, choose waiting on or blocking, and select the related task. Clear task names and realistic due dates will make these relationships even more useful. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.